And so you could, eating undercooked meat, you could die in 1 week from dysentery, vomiting, and diarrhea. We hear about it every few months. Meat contamination through 5 states. One contaminated cow got put into the hamburger that's in hundreds of stores in 5 states, and now 5 old people, or maybe not so old, have died from dysentery, from toxigenic E. coli. So by all means, if you're going to cook meat, if you're going to eat meat, cook it so you don't die in short order. But just realize it's best to avoid meat, fish, chicken, seafood, because 800 studies link that with cancer around the world, whether urban societies, agrarian societies, etc. Dioxins. Dioxins are just one industrial poison we can measure, and highly toxic, increases the risk of cancer. So let's say you go swimming and in the lake, you swallow a little lake water. That's negligible as far as getting dioxins. Let's say you don't scrub your potato or your carrot real well and you get a little dirt. That's negligible. Breathing it from the air, even in the city, is negligible. It turns out when you eat one egg has what the U.S. Whichever society or agency in America has determined is the maximum safe allowable amount of dioxins, 4 picograms. Now, a picogram is 1/1 billionth with a B, 1/1 billionth of a gram. So 1 gram of sugar, just taking something to compare it to, 1 gram of sugar is like 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. So imagine 1/1 billionth of a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. That's how toxic dioxins are. One egg has that amount, okay? The safe allowable, maximum safe allowable amount. Serving of fish has about 2 times the safe allowable amount. Serving of pig and chicken have pork and chicken, pig, 3 times the safe allowable amount. 1 serving of milk has 4 times the safe allowable amount. Then you take other dairy, so you take milk and you concentrate it, making milk, ice cream, cream cheese, yogurt, etc. You've got 6 times the safe allowable amount. And then beef ingestion, 1 serving of beef, you've got 9 times the safe allowable amount of dioxins. And the average American is eating a little bit of all of that, right? So average American is consuming 23 times the safe allowable amount of dioxins.